people, and now it is my sixth review of the day, and I'm reviewing the movie PK. You know, PK again is a Amir Khan, Rajkumar Hirani, the combination, and Anushka Sharma. But I'll be honest, yeah, I mean, unlike certain other films that had this amazing combination of, like Rajkumar Hirani's films are almost always stellar. This particular movie was very ambitious in its attempt to educate people, and it was a very brave attempt, the film. But somewhere in this whole, it got a little preachy, yeah. And so, you know, it, it's a very thin line between entertaining and preaching to people. And just before this film was released, there was this Akshay Kumar film uh, that was also that had a similar storyline. Oh my God, that was the film, I think, starring Paresh Rawal. And so it is like, yeah, I would give it a 3-star rating, but somewhere I don't know. As an audience, we wanted so much more, but that again, this is also like it's the thing about life, right? That you can't always get like a 10 on 10. There are days that you would get like a 7 on 10, and the days you'll get a 9 on 10. So that's my one takeaway from this film. So I'd give it a 3-star rating, and do watch it, people, because it's unique in its own way, and it is truly unique because we don't have any real Bollywood films except for Krish. Yeah, Krish was a film uh, that is about paranormal, like in terms of an alien visiting the earth and all. So watch it, people. I won't spoil it for you all. So a 3-star rating it is, and yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.